Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to connect the Nintendo Switch Pro Controller to your Windows PC with Bluetooth. In order to do this, first, make sure you got your controller charged in your hand, and then you've got your Bluetooth and other devices menu open inside of your Windows PC. This should also work the same on Windows 11. And to connect this, all you have to do is press the button at the top of the controller next to where it gets plugged in for a count of like, I don't know, 10, maybe 12 seconds if you want to make sure. Sometimes the light across on the other side of the plug from it will light up when it is in discovery mode, where it can be discovered and connected to by other devices. But for whatever reason, it doesn't always. So after you've pressed and held on that for a few seconds, go ahead and click on Add Bluetooth or other devices. And then once you get this pop-up window, click on Bluetooth. This should show up as a Pro controller right here on the list. Go ahead and click on that, and it should automatically connect to your computer. Once it does so, it should have a bunch of different pop-ups happen on your desktop that alert you that stuff is connected, and the green light at the bottom of the controller should pop on to let you know that player 1 is connected. Sometimes, depending on how and what driver you use for this, the home button will show up blue on the controller, but for whatever reason, it doesn't always. And then once you're done, if you're using a program like DS4 Windows to use this on your PlayStation or your PC to play PC games, it should show up on the driver as a Switch Pro controller, and you should be good to go after that. I've never actually had luck plugging this into my PC and having it work correctly that way, so you almost always have to connect this with Bluetooth in order to get it to behave itself. The best programs to use to connect this to your computer are things like DS4 Windows, BetterJoy, or the Steam client drivers for the Steam launcher are probably the best out of all three of those for reliable Pro controller usage. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a brief look at how to add your Pro controller to your Windows PC. You can remove it by simply finding it in the list of your Bluetooth devices here in the Bluetooth and other devices window, clicking it, and then click Remove Device, and then say yes. And then it should disappear, and you should be good to go. So that'll be it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've been your host, Larry, and have a good one.